Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's take Italian comfort food and give it Taco Bell energy.
All right, let's make a Chicken Parm Crunchwrap Supreme. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we love fusions. Hey, have you ever been in the mood for chicken parm, but maybe you wanted to go for a walk or a drive, and even the chicken parm sandwich was too messy? Well, we have an answer for you today, the Chicken Parm Crunchwrap Supreme. So that's the plan. We're gonna make a Chicken Parm Crunchwrap Supreme, and I guess without further ado, let's go. So we start by grating some mozzarella cheese. Now we want to take out a chicken breast, a couple chicken breasts actually, and put it in a plastic bag. You could use plastic wrap. You could not and just pound it normally, but then you're gonna just spread salmonella everywhere. So use a Ziploc bag or something. And we just want to pound this guy out to about a 1/4 inch thick throughout. Then we got these guys kind of ready to go. And then because we're gonna be using this guy, we want everything to be about this same size. So I'm just gonna trim this, and that doesn't have to be a perfect circle or anything like that. We're just gonna trim a little bit off of the ends here. Then we're just gonna season these guys with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Don't forget to get both sides. Then we got our breading station set up. So we got our flour, our beaten eggs, and then this is a mixture of Italian breadcrumbs and some crappy Parmesan cheese. So go into the flour, shake that off, into the egg, make sure and get all the little bits and pieces there, shake that off, and then into the breadcrumbs, and get that nice and coated, and then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. Then we're gonna shallow fry these guys, so with about a half an inch of oil, heat it up to 375. We're just gonna go ahead and lay our guys in there, and because these are so thin, they're gonna cook pretty fast. Well, I guess that's kind of a deep fry, isn't it? Probably about 2 minutes on each side, maybe a minute and a half. And then once we got a nice golden brown, then we're gonna flip these guys, cook them for another minute or two on this side. And once we got golden brown on both sides, you put them on a wire rack, let them drain, kill the heat, and then while they drain, you want to turn your oven to broil. Then we take our little chicken guys and we give them each a nice layer of some tomato sauce. You could make your own or just use whatever jarred sauce you have or whatever one you like. It really doesn't matter. And then we put a nice healthy layer of some mozzarella that we grated earlier on here. Follow that up by a little bit of grated parmesan. And then we toss this under the broiler until the cheese is nice and melty. And our cheese is nice and melty. We put these guys aside. Then we take out a warm tortilla. This one got a little bit torn up, but that's okay, it should be fine. You want to warm it up a little bit just so it's pliable. I'm gonna put down a little bit of cheese, a little bit of parm on top of that. It's called chicken parm, but I feel like there's usually more mozzarella than parm. Whatever. Then a little bit of sauce on there. And we go on with one of our chicken guys, our tortilla. Just do a little bit of sauce, some more cheese, and then we'll go down with this guy. And we're gonna attempt to fold this guy up. Okay, let's go one layer. Some more cheese on here. Apparently 2 is gonna be too much. And we'll throw a little parm on there too. Then we go ahead and fold this guy up. Thought we'd get away with a double layered chicken on there, but apparently not. So we'll just do one. Then into a nice hot pan, put our guy seam side down, give him a little smush and a little twirl. And then once we have a nice seal, and we give it a flip. And everything in here is obviously cooked already. We just wanted to seal this bottom part, and then we also want to melt all the cheese that isn't already melted. So that's kind of the idea here, and just warm everything through. Give it a little twirl, a little shimmy, a little shake. And then once we get a nice golden brown on that side, then this guy's ready to pull. Let it rest for a few minutes. And then here's our guy. Let's slice him open, see what we got. Oh yeah, I let it cool too much so we can get a cheese pull, but it looks pretty darn good. And there we have our Chicken Parm Crunchwrap Supreme. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's brilliant. It's chicken parm in a crunch wrap. It's like a chicken parm sandwich and a crunch wrap had a baby. And it's delicious. I don't know what else to say. Go make it. Out of 10. Hey, that's what I think. But let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I just found out sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. And honestly, that's more emotionally stable than most humans.
Well, check it out. We made this Chicken Parm Crunchwrap Supreme that you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Wow, that tastes like Chicken Parm got a little drunk at Taco Bell and somehow made excellent life choices.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Nobody is normal. It just looks that way from across the street.
Nash approves, I approve, highly recommend. Go make it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed this video, go hit the like button. And hey, if you want to see some other cool videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.